Today we are going to see about proteins. So what is called proteins, or why it is named as proteins? Actually, the word proteins are derived from a Greek word, that is proteus. So this proteus means something that is primary or that is very important. So why it is named like that? Because in our human body, every part is made up of proteins. For example, these are called building blocks because it builds the bones, muscles, cartilage, even our skin and hair is made up of this protein. As we all know, these proteins are a polymer of alpha amino acids and linked by a peptide bond or peptide linkage. So see, it is mainly hydrolyzed only by the alpha amino acids. So these alpha amino acids are linked to each other by a peptide bonds, and thereby it forms a proteins. So now we will see about this amino acids. So in amino acids we have one amine group, and acids means carboxyl group. So this forms the amino acids. So based on the place where the amine group is placed in respect to the carboxyl group, the amino acids can be classified into alpha, beta, gamma, delta and so on. And in this case, in proteins, it can be formed only by the alpha amino acids. So in here you can see a lot of things like cheese, meat, milk and so on. So all these things are rich in proteins. In this image you can see one table. Actually the amino acids can be represented generally as a 3-letter word and sometimes as a 1-letter word. For example, in this table you can see that amino acids, and it is named with a 3-letter word and a 1-letter word. And these amino acids are given a trivial name. That means the name that will show the property of that amino acid or the source from where that amino acid has come. For example, in glycine, it is named as glycine because in Greek word the glycose means sweet. Actually this amino acid has a sweet taste, so that it's telling about the property of that amino acid. So its name is glycine. For example, tyrosine, it is named because it is first obtained from the cheese. In Greek, tyros means cheese. So these names are called as trivial names because it tells about the property or the source of that amino acid. Actually, in amino acids there are two things. One is essential amino acid and the non-essential amino acid. The essential amino acids are something that you need to get from your diet. For example, we saw the sources of proteins like cheese, milk, peanuts or meat. So we need that amino acids, and that are not synthesized by our body. We need from the external source. So that is essential. So those are called as essential amino acids. So in this table, the lysine, isoleucine, arginine, these are the essential amino acid, the thing with the asterisk. And what is non-essential amino acids? So these amino acids can be synthesized in our body, so there is no need to get it from an external source or diet. So it is already synthesized in our body, that is non-essential. So these are called as non-essential amino acids. And these amino acids can also be classified as acidic, basic and neutral. For example, if the amine group and the carboxyl group, so both number of amine group and carboxyl group are equal in number, means then it is said to be neutral. If the number of amine group is greater than the carboxyl group, then it shows a basic character, so that is basic. And if the carboxyl group is higher than the amino group, then it is called as acidic. Thank you for watching. Visit us at needbook.in.